following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Dallas Police Department is searching for Lily Anderson, black, female, 7 years old, 4 feet 02 inches, 80 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing purple short sleeve shirt, multicolored shorts, and flower sandals with 2 large braids in her hair. Police are looking for an unknown, black, male, black hair, eyes, and last seen wearing a black t-shirt and gray sweatpants, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving an unknown near gray 4-door crossover sub with unknown license plates. The suspect was last seen on the 1100 block of West Caius Boulevard, Dallas, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Dallas Police Department at 214-671-4268. News media point of contact is Dallas Police Department at 214-671-4065.